Hello gamers, in this Let's Have Unlock the Venom Space Knight skin in Marvel Rivals. Players have a few options based on their platform and gameplay preferences. First, if you are a PlayStation Plus member, you can access the skin for free. Simply navigate to the PlayStation Store and look for the relevant bundle that includes the Venom Space Knight skin along with additional rewards like animations and tokens. For those without a PlayStation Plus subscription, the skin is also available for direct purchase in the in-game store for 1,400 units, the game's currency that can be earned through gameplay or bought with real money. Additionally, while specific details about earning the skin through gameplay achievements were not highlighted, it's worth noting that some skins in Marvel Rivals may be tied to competitive ranks or special events. Therefore, players should remain vigilant for any upcoming events or challenges that could offer the Venom Space Knight skin as a reward. Lastly, keep an eye on the store for bundles, as skins are often included in larger packages that feature various items. By utilizing these methods, players can successfully unlock the Venom Space Knight skin and enhance their gaming experience in Marvel Rivals, showcasing one of Marvel's most iconic characters in a unique and visually striking form.